Welcome to my channel Archana Joshi Ideas. I am Archana Joshi. In today's video, I will be sharing 7 effective tips on diary writing habit. I have already made a part 1 on the same topic, for which I got a very good response from all of you. So here I am presenting the part 2 on the same topic. I hope you all like it. If you do so, let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's begin. The first one is give a name to your diary. Does that sound weird? It might, but it definitely not weird to give a name to your diary because diary is something with which you will be sharing all your emotion which you may or may not share with your friends and family. Doesn't that make diary a very special thing in your life? So why not make it even more personal by giving it a name of your choice? Here I am naming my diary as Joy because no matter what kind of emotions I pour on the pages, at the end it only gave me joy. So let me know in the comment section below what will you name your diary as. I'm curious and excited to know all of yours diary's name. The second one is to greet your diary before write. You can use any greeting words of your choice. You can even include the name of your diary while greeting, as I have written here as Hello Joy. I like the greeting word hello. You can write hi, good morning, or any other greeting words of your choice. Including the name of diary will add in creating bond. So now onwards, build the habit of greeting your diary before write. The third one is to have a specific stationery set while writing diary. It might be just a normal pen, but make sure you use the specific pen every time while writing diary. It helps you build a emotion of diary writing process. So every time you pick that specific pen, the emotion easily starts flowing on paper. The fourth one is to decorate your diary. Here I am not talking about the outer part, I am talking about the inside part. Use stickers or any other kind of fun stationeries to make the whole diary writing process more fun. If you do not like to add many colors, that's fine. Keep it simple. Draw few doodles of your choice. The thought beyond this step is just to let all your emotions flow onto the paper in as many ways as possible. I hope you include this step in your diary writing habit. The fifth one is connect with last page. Here I am referring to the day before page as last page. Before writing today's diary or after writing the current day's diary, read whatever you have written yesterday. This will lead you to introspect in the change of the situation or your point of view in 24 hours. The difference in your thought process in just 24 hours will blow your mind. This step will amaze you so much that it will lead you to stick to diary writing habit. And the sixth step is to read. You will be reading whatever you have written yesterday as per the last step. In this step, I am asking you to just read whatever you have written in the whole month. Take a break from writing. Just read whatever you have written throughout the month and see the change by yourself. I'm sure this will amaze you and leave your experience in the comment section below. The last one is to be grateful. Be grateful to your diary for being your best friend. Be grateful to your diary for listening to all your thoughts without any judgment. Thank your diary every day without fail. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do so, let me know in the comment section below. And subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos.